If you find that you do have leftover epic chocolate brownie, then you can of course store it in an airtight container. So here I've got a container and I've got just a couple of extra pieces of baking paper, and these are the same size roughly as the container. So we'll put one in the bottom, and this is just to stop the brownie from sticking to the container. And we can take a piece of our brownie that can go in like that. What you want to do is you want to try and make it so that the brownie doesn't touch each other on the side, otherwise that's where they'll maybe start to stick together a little bit. We take our next piece of parchment paper and that can go on top, and then we can go in with another layer like that. So there we've got 2 layers of brownie. We've managed to get 6 pieces into this tub. So we can put the lid on, and that will keep quite nicely at room temperature for around about 3 or 4 days. And if you put it in the freezer, then you can keep it for a couple of months if it lasts that long. When you want a piece of brownie, you can either take the whole tub out and leave it to defrost at room temperature, or you can take individual pieces out and defrost the individual pieces. So that's how you can store your epic chocolate brownie.